Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious grilled cheese sandwiches on a sheet pan. This recipe is awesome because you can make 4, 12, 24. You can make as many grilled cheese sandwiches as you can fit into your oven at once. It's super easy, so if you're making grilled cheese sandwiches for a group, this is how to do it. Let's get cooking. So the first thing you need to do for this recipe is preheat your oven to 450 degrees. While that's happening, you're going to go ahead and mix together some softened butter, some grated Parmesan cheese, and some chopped parsley. And just mix that until it's nice and evenly mixed. Then you're going to take half of the slices of bread, so you have 4 slices of bread, and you're going to butter one side of each slice of bread. Lay those slices of bread, butter side down, on a baking sheet, evenly spread out. Now we're going to top that bread with our shredded cheese. You can use whatever cheese you want. You can use Gruyère, cheddar, you can use a mix like I am, whatever you prefer. Then take the remaining pieces of bread and use the remaining butter mixture and spread that out on one side of those also. Put the bread slices on top of the cheese and then put that in the oven. You're gonna let it bake for about 5 minutes. While that's happening, hey, you know what? Now's a good time to give this video a thumbs up if you like my videos, my recipes, and all of my cooking content. I also release new videos every single week, so be sure to stay tuned. So after that's baked for about 5 minutes, go ahead and just flip those sandwiches over carefully. You don't wanna have them fall apart. The cheese should be melted enough now to kind of keep them together, but just flip them over and then bake it for another 5 minutes. When that bread is a nice golden brown and you can just see like the melted cheese and everything looks just lovely and delicious and it smells amazing, this recipe is ready to enjoy. How simple is that, right? Easy sheet pan grilled cheese sandwiches. Like I said, it's super scalable. That's the thing that I love about this recipe. You can make it for a few people. You can make it for a whole crowd. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, hey, just drop a comment below. And if you like to cook like I do, I release new recipes every single week, so please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Now the great thing about this recipe is you can easily make 4 grilled cheese sandwiches, 12 start that over.